In this video, something that is no less important is about ejection seats on fighter aircraft and others. Most military aircraft, NASA research aircraft, and some small commercial aircraft are equipped with ejection seats to allow pilots to escape from damaged or malfunctioning aircraft. The purpose of an ejection seat is simple: it is to lift the pilot directly out of the plane to a safe distance, then deploy a parachute so the pilot can land safely on the ground. Let's look at some of the experiments that have been made to ensure that ejection seats can be used to save the lives of many great pilots. And finally, this video ends with footage taken in Canada in 2010 during preparations for the air show.
Don't forget to follow this channel by subscribe, like, comment, and share.